Welcome to our quick guide on changing a channel's category in Discord. If you've ever found your server cluttered or want to reorganize for a better member experience, this updated method is a breeze. First, open Discord and go to your server. You'll want to land on the server's main page where all your channels are listed. This is where the magic starts because the organization of your categories drives how users navigate your space. From there, find the channel you want to move. Do a long press on the channel name if you're on a mobile device, or right-click the channel on desktop. This opens a concise menu with practical options. The goal here is to access the editing tools quickly, so choose Edit Channel from this menu. Inside the channel settings, you'll see a section labeled Category. This is your control point for reorganizing where this channel lives within your server's hierarchy. Tap on Category to reveal the available options. You'll be presented with the existing categories plus an empty field to create a new one if you're also planning to restructure on a larger scale. Select the category you want from the list. If you don't see the perfect fit, you can opt to create a new category right there by typing a new name, then saving. When you pick a category, the channel will immediately move under that category in the channel list on the left. This instant feedback makes it easy to visualize how your server will look once the changes are saved. If you're juggling multiple channels, you can repeat this step for any others that need reorganization. Consistency is key, so think about grouping related topics, events, or roles under clear descriptive category names.